If you're looking for something full of flavors, you have found the right recipe. This lemon and herbs peri-peri chicken and rice is just what you need to take your meal to the next level. Let's start by creating the marinade. Grab your blender and add the bell pepper, onion and cloves of garlic. Next, toss in few chilies, season with salt, cayenne pepper and black pepper. Then add fresh lemon juice, rice vinegar and olive oil. Handful of fresh parsley, thyme, oregano and mayo. Blend this and transfer into a pan over medium heat. Cook it down until a sauce-like consistency. Once cooled down, let's marinate some chicken thighs. Coat well and let it sit for a few hours to soak up. After baking, preheat the oven upside down and remember to flip them halfway through and brush with more marinade on top and bake until the chicken is tender and juicy. Meanwhile, rinse and soak the rice, heat up the oil and butter, saute chopped onion and bell pepper. After add the soaked rice along with cumin, chicken seasoning, turmeric and lemon and herbs peri-peri sauce. Mix it all together. Pour water as it cooks. Add sweet corn and peas. Cover and let it steam until the rice is perfectly fluffy. Once ready, place the chicken pieces right on top, drizzle with more sauce and garnish with chopped parsley. Fluff that rice, serve it up and get ready to savor every bite. There you have it. Enjoy!